My bias on Bitcoin remains bullish, as it was stated several times across multiple Bitcoin posts that I made earlier on this week and the week before. However, I'm expecting a potential downside target projection of 93,775,000 into 92, then literally round that up into 93,000 region. The idea behind that trade idea is recently we did have a break in market structure higher. The same concept applies. We apply the Fibonacci from the low to the high, and the equilibrium level perfectly aligns with the node level of support and resistance that was identified primarily onto the weekly. I'm expecting a bullish price projection of, sorry, a bullish price projection into 101,000 into 104,000 before reassessing price, as there are there is a potential reason to believe that there's going to be a monthly rollover, a shift in market structure overall to provide a pullback of this major run, this major push. Because if you do go on to the quarterly time frame, we did have a break in market structure back here, followed up with a nice rally, and perhaps another higher low can be expected. However, I'm not here to predict 1 year worth of price action. So currently, for the next couple of days, 2 weeks to a month perhaps, I'm expecting price to reach 101, 104,000 before reassessing the likelihood of price wanting to drop or to go higher. But that's it for in terms of what price gonna do in the couple of days. However, I'm just slightly expecting for price to start the week off with the momentum higher, not aggressively, but just slightly into 96,000 before seeing a drop eventually into 93,000. Round that figure up. I can't be asked to mention this again and again. So pretty much into 93,000 before seeing willingness the daily time frame to go higher. So just like a bit of higher prices to drop and then eventually go even higher. And that time, once that pullback is over, the next leg up should have no issue or whatsoever getting into 101,000 to 104,000. So if I copy this and project them here, so all the way into here, which gives us roughly 7 to 8,000 pip worth of move. So you're gonna wait patiently for Monday and Tuesday to see what price does on Bitcoin. It can be ready to go higher from what price is at the moment, but I would love to see price drop slightly into 93,000, which perfectly matches up with this level of support and resistance before even considering any lands. I guess that video helped you, and I'll update you as price develops. But as of now, I'll see you in the next one.